Thanks, Barry. So what we've got here is a series of Elamine flasks with different reagents in them. For example, here we've got our blank, which was just our our water, or the thing that we actually dissolved our calcium hydroxide powder in, which we've actually titrated. That started off with a light blue tinge due to the bromophenol blue. It only required 0.1 of a milliliter to actually go from blue to clear solution. Now here we've got another 4 of Elamine flasks. 0 here is actually solution number 2, which is a technical grade calcium hydroxide with the bromophenol indicator, but no titrant. So it does not have any hydrochloric acid added to it. And that's got that blue tinge. Once we add our hydrochloric acid, the titrant, we go from a blue to a clear solution. And the numbers that go, or the volumes required to do that, are shown in that table that's Barry just showed. Our next series of Elamine flasks will correspond to solution number 3, which is our builder's lime. And here we've got our builder's lime solution, okay, our calcium hydroxide from our builder's lime with the bromophenol blue indicator, but no titrant, no hydrochloric acid, no 0.05 molar hydrochloric acid. And here we have the ones that have had the hydrochloric acid added to them. We can see they've gone from a blue to a clear solution. Now we go to the next lot. So up until this point we've actually used the bromophenol blue indicator to show the colour change, the end point. Now what we've got here is now we're only looking solely at solution number 1, which is analytical grade calcium hydroxide solution. And what we've got here is the calcium hydroxide solution, the 0.1% of the analytical grade with methyl red pH indicator. Here it's yellow colour. Once we add the titrant, the hydrochloric acid to it, goes from yellow to a slight red tinge. Now it's important for students to note that there's very subtle changes. It's not a very obvious change when it goes from a yellow to a red change in colour. And that's for methyl red. And finally, we've got the other pH indicator that we're using is phenolphthalein. This also is looking at the calcium hydroxide content of the solution number 1, which is the analytical grade calcium hydroxide. It starts off with a pink tinge, and once we add the hydrochloric acid, our titrant, the 0.05 molar hydrochloric acid, it goes from a pink tinge to a clear solution.